Okay, sorry, I just had to move again because I realized the video stops after 20 minutes exactly. So let's finish this up. So again, we just graphed this by taking the values that we got. Actually, we've taken the values that we got here and using this as our new origin. So then what I wanted to do is just show you that if we plugged the points in to here and made an XY table, that we would get this exact same thing. So let's do that. So we plug in -2. -2 plus 1 is -1. 2 to the negative first power is 1/2. 3 times 1/2 is 3/2. 3/2 minus 4, or 1.5 minus 4 would be -2.5. We put in -1. -1 plus 1 is 0. 2 to the 0 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. 3 minus 4 is -1. Plug in 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 2 to the first is 2. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. Plug in 1. We get 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 squared is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. And if we just go check the values that we have on our graph, we can see that this is exactly what we have. At -2, we have -2.5, which is what our graph says. At -1, it says we should be at -1. At 0, it says we should be at 2, and at 1, it says we should be at 8, right? So just by taking what we got from this right here, our parent it's not our parent function, but it's what we did up here. By taking that and shifting our origin, again, it's not exactly our origin, but I'm shifting it over 1 to the left and down 4. By shifting it from here, I can do exactly what this says, to put our points in the correct spot. Again, you could always do an XY table, but it would be nice if you could remember what these different transformations do. Okay, let's talk about domain and range. Domain, again, always going to be all real numbers for these exponential functions. And our range is going to be everything from -4 up. Our asymptote is going to be at -4 because, again, what happens was we just took our asymptote right here and we shifted it down 4 with that -4. And so note these two, I think I said this in the last video, these two match. That should always be the case. This might not be the lowest value. If for some reason our graph flipped upside down, this might be the highest value, but either way, this will be the end point, and then we'll either go from here up to positive infinity or from negative infinity up to that, depending on what it is. Okay, that's it.